Federation of All School Teacher of Meghalaya Fastam kilawan kendu Menteri Ketenat Kepuli Puthi Ubak Lakmen Rembui banekran halor kimat jindawa jong kinong hikai Fastam. Habakran cikilat pathai khubor nakaliang Vice President Ubak Sanbor Jungai ulapan pau banakaliang Menteri ulaong ba umpat la bandrai berkentiu kerdano kinong hikai ad hoc ceki kerdan defisit. Ulaong bakin sashi mekarai hadin kejinyalang bat ki babun kiseng bat ki management kiriu shimet bat ki political party. Dalam kata ulapan tip bat kinong hikai ka Fastam kilakan tu Menteri Ketenat Kepuli Puthi banekran lem mekanika mat bat Menteri Rangba ukon rat ke sangma lada Menteri Rangba usim khia kan long ka bajab. Habayade bat kejingya khi ulapan tip bat kejingya khi kinong hikai ka Fastam kinang yat bet bat penjur susu ekajingya khi.
Nakaliang jong ka Education Minister ulakhat ekran ini mentakasi te ngilawan nakaliang ka Federation te anda ngila yarung yasyong te kabalingkong nakaliang jong department mentak ong ba ni ai kublai ningkong ma nakaliang jong kiwat nakaliang ka sarkar ki ong ya ka contribution ba ki ad hoc teachers kila ai hakasti tamdai tangengi le si ya barok rupi kinohikai bulan hakasti namar bakani ke contribution kemut mentang ilap kalau Meghalaya kalau nong kedan kepasan hakata kali tersiri ta te hadin bangi yakran pat ya kawakikam kabedai pat kejingkentiu kertan yangi te nakaliang education minister di iong ba naduk bakila penmi ya katu ka Meghalaya education kerang di kiseng beper nangta nakaliang ka management ki priushimet kila ai ya kita ki suggestion jengki ki views ki jengki te nakaliang education minister ong ba hadin jeng ka puja kamut yin saya syong nakaliang department bangin ya perkhat ke kalenti kasenjam ke ba ka department kan simnang ni ringkat ba ka sarkar ha ka bayadai bat kini ki school ki bubun kategori kamut kathong ka jengki kalong menta ban penduna ya kita ki jingbun jengki kategori te kamumut hak bakut hi ka jingya kren kalong ba education minister iong ba nganum la hi ya menta bangan ai ya ka insurance ban kentiu kerdan ya kino hikai ad hoc ma syaka deficit system lani syaka deficit pattern di kamut kan sasyong karai hadin ba kilaya pelong kini ki jinyalang bat ki babun ki seng bat ki babun kini ki management bat ki priushimet lani bat ki political party de kamut haka bakut ni sautu ba ngilaya kran rubat education minister bato ka ai ka ba phila pentip syangi de kamut ba ngi yamantangi namla banrai tang kinom yalam ki ba khamat kamut ba ka ai ka bang yakran bat ingin ra ya kani ka khubor syakinong hikai jengi ki badan hamadan malki bat ki badon syapot tura di karai ka bakhadu kadai be ka jowu pai te hendrai ni yang skam kana ulim ba ni kwa ba ya kani ka jing e ka jongi ka mut ba dei ka government ka dei ban pendap no di ilai keran bun syapang ki hendrai ha ka bakut ka mut ba angi snow be yamanta 4 don kanu ka assurance kamut nakaliang ke department banle ai kamut ki ong bangin dang study di nyimtip hadu kanu kan simpor kata ka di study namar bang nyimtip hi kam ki jam ma ki simpor ka kam ka department kam dei ban petang de benta ki we ki after ki kam ki bonjai ti kamut ha ka bakut hi te kamut ba ngin namlak ban batai minta ngin dang continue ngin sange kamut ka sasyong be ka rai jong bobo di ngilakan turu ya iba in yakran lem no bat honorable chief minister namar bahaka bakut hi ngi kium kino hikai ad hoc ngi sautu ba lada chief minister kamut kat ke kerdan kli jong state lada usim kiai kan kam kamut ba kala melong ke bajok ke pasaisa di tangnita hi mentangin la bandia bunakin
pihun em halor ne ji kendu
ya kendu apa ki khot ya kendu kum ki nong yalam ki bah khmat ma ti nginwan ya kendu be ma ngin kentat ya kata ti take away ka baningkong kamut ba ni dokumen ba naka department ki ong ba ni thu ya ka contribution jobi ta ka di ka plus point ten rei ka ba dai ka ba concern mangi ka long ka di ka demand ka jobi ni kwa ba ka ni ka jing ka jomi kamut di pan put na ta naka department ki ong ba ngi plan ya kata ten rei haduk menta kamut ba kimpat sim gen ya karai thì ngin saya pet ya kata ngin numla bani batai bun di kat sasyong hupai ba pa ya kaji ki ke jongi la tangin pateng la ni at present he told us that he cannot give any assurance. The department, they will study, they will review the suggestion, the views given by the different association and the stakeholders in related to the MEG. Until and unless they study and reviews those suggestions, he said, at present, I cannot give you any assurance what shall we do with the demand of the Federation. So here we stand as the frontline leaders to put it in you, the teachers, the decision. What shall we do? Whether we will continue with the agitation or we will stop our agitation. You want to continue? Let us raise our hands. Continue. So, okay then, we will stick to the decision taken by the majority. We had told the Education Concern Minister that we are just the frontline leaders. We have got many leaders who are in Malki Playground and even in Tura who will take the final decision. So your decision is that we will continue, so we will go ahead with our agitation program. Okay, thank you.